Imagine this. You're on your first date with a charming Japanese man or woman. You're both nervous but excited. You want to impress them with your English skills, but fear of making mistakes is holding you back. How can you overcome those nerves and sound confident? Hi, I'm Marie, your English tutor. In today's video, we're going to dive into English conversations, especially on a first date. Whether you're struggling with pronunciation, grammar, or simply running out of things to say, I've got you covered. So, let's get started and make your next date a great success. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more English conversation practice, including travel and business topics.
Excuse me, are you Tanaka Yuki-san?
Yes, I am. You must be Nakamura Kenji-san?
That's right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please sit down.
Thank you. Have you been waiting long?
No, not long. Maybe 5 minutes.
Oh, good. I was worried about being late. The trains were very crowded.
Yes, Tokyo trains are always busy. It's okay.
So, this is your first Omiai?
Yes, it is. How about you?
Me too. I feel a bit nervous.
Me too. But it's nice to meet you.
Excuse me, would you like to order?
Oh, yes. Okay, I'll have green tea, please.
The same for me. Thank you. So Tanaka-san, what do you do for work?
I work at a bank. In the customer service department. And you?
I'm a high school math teacher.
Oh, that must be hard work.
Sometimes, yes, but I enjoy it. Do you like your job?
It's okay. The hours can be long, though.
I understand. Long hours are common in Japan, right?
Yes, very common. Do you live in Tokyo?
Yes, I've been here for 5 years. I'm originally from Fukuoka. How about you?
I grew up in Yokohama. But I moved to Tokyo for university and stayed.
Oh, thank you. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and sometimes I go to karaoke with friends. How about you?
I like watching baseball and, playing video games. Do you like sports?
Not really. I'm not very athletic.
That's okay. Everyone has different interests.
So, Nakamura-san, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother. He's married with 2 kids. How about you?
I'm an only child. Sometimes I wish I had siblings.
Being an only child, has good points too, I think.
Yes, you're right. What made you decide to try Omiai?
Well, my parents suggested it. They worry about me being single. How about you?
Similar for me. My coworkers are all getting married, so I felt some pressure.
I see. It's common in Japan, isn't it? The pressure to marry.
Yes, very common. What kind of person are you looking for?
Someone kind and understanding. Maybe someone who likes to travel. You?
I'd like to meet someone reliable and hardworking. And who wants a family someday?
That sounds nice. Do you want children?
Yes, I think so. Maybe 2. And you? How about you?
Yes, I'd like to be a father, someday.
So, what do your parents do?
My father is a doctor, and my mother is a housewife. Yours?
They both work for a trading company. It's interesting. They met at work, actually.
That's interesting. My parents had an Omiai. Like us.
Oh, really? Are they happy together?
Yes, I think so. They've been married for 35 years.
That's wonderful. Oh, we've been talking for almost an hour.
Oh, yes, time went by quickly. This was nice, Tanaka-san.
Yes, it was. Thank you for meeting me.
Should we let the matchmaker know? We'd like to meet again?
Yes, I think that would be good.
Great. I'll tell them tomorrow.
Have a good evening, Nakamura-san.
You too, Tanaka-san. Please be careful on your way home.
Thank you for listening. What did you learn from this video? Write the answer in the comments below. Also, if you benefited from this video, please like, subscribe, and share with someone else. Thank you for listening.